In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lead status in HubSpot. First, sign in to HubSpot. You will see the familiar dashboard that welcomes you back to your account. This is where all your customer relationship management takes place. Enter your username and password and click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, you will have access to all the features and tools HubSpot offers for managing your leads effectively. This initial step is crucial because it ensures that your data remains secure and accessible only to you. Next, go to CRM and then select Contacts. On the left side of your screen, you will see a menu. Click on CRM, which will expand to show various options. Then click on Contacts. This section is where you will manage all your contacts, including leads. The Contacts page will display a list of all your contacts organized for your convenience. Navigating here is vital because it sets the foundation for viewing and interacting with your leads. Once you are on the Contacts page, click on a contact. You will see a comprehensive overview of that specific contact's details. This view includes their name, email address, and other relevant information. Clicking on a contact allows you to drill down into their specifics, which is essential for personalizing your outreach and tracking their status. By selecting a contact, you are preparing to update important information that can influence your sales strategy. Now, find the lead status property in the contact record. Scroll through the contact details until you locate the lead status section. This area indicates where the contact stands within your sales pipeline. It may show statuses like new, open, or closed. Understanding this status helps you prioritize your follow-ups and tailor your messaging accordingly. Knowing the lead status is important because it directly impacts your ability to manage your sales process efficiently. Next, let's update lead status manually. Begin by opening a contact record again if you're not already viewing one. This will bring you back to the detailed view of the contact. Updating the lead status allows you to reflect any changes in your interaction with the contact. This keeps your records accurate and up to date, ensuring you have the right information at your fingertips. Keeping this information current is key to effective lead management. After that, find lead status in the contact record. As before, scroll to the lead status section. Here, you will see the current status displayed. This is where you'll make your updates. A quick glance can provide insight into what actions you need to take next. Recognizing where your leads stand allows you to allocate your time and resources more effectively. Next, click the Value or Edit icon. You will see a pencil icon next to the current status. This indicates that you can make changes. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu of available statuses. You can choose the most appropriate one that reflects the current state of the lead. Making these updates is essential because it ensures all team members have the same understanding of where each lead stands. Now, select a status from the drop-down menu. You will find various options tailored to your sales process. Choose the status that best fits the lead's current situation. This action not only updates your records but also communicates your strategy to your team. Choosing the right status helps keep your workflow organized and aligned with your sales goals. Finally, click Save. After selecting the new status, make sure to click the Save button to confirm your changes. This action ensures your updates are recorded in HubSpot. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. This final step is crucial as it locks in your updates, allowing you to move forward with confidence in your lead management process.